Hey all you cool cats and kittens. So now we're here with Chillin on Cherokee. Check it out. On the kayak for the very first time. So we're gonna see if we can catch any out here. Who knows, hopefully I can pull in a couple. It's not the best time to get out here, honestly, but we'll see. Oh, I would do that the first cast, whatnot. God, that felt like a bite. Oh my God. Oh, I got a big one. Oh, I got a big one. Oh. Oh. What is this? Yeah. Is this a drum? What? What? I caught a freaking huge drum. Holy moly. Hold on, let me put my paddle down. Golly, son. Holy moly! Holy God! What? Take it. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Yeah. I got one. Yeah. A smallie. Give me a smallie, guys. Felt him nibbling on it. Finally, he took it. Not a bad little smallie right there. I'll take it. Alright, let's get you back in the water, feather. Alright guys, so that was pretty nice. I felt him boom, 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 you know. He was like trying to get it. So I just was patient with it, let him take it, and then set the hook. And on the Ned rig, I mean, you really don't have to set the hook hard. Because they're usually taking it in. So I'm not trying to rip their lips on the Ned rig. That's why I didn't pull back hard. Man, this is enjoyable, guys. Nice day out today. Catching some fish. Kayaking. Can't really beat it, can you? Getting used to the kayak. And it's not taking too long to get used to. There's a few kinks I have to work out and get things set up better and stuff like that. But I mean, for the most part, I ain't complaining too much. Maybe a little too far out. Hello.
Hi, Dada.
Hey, bud. What are you doing? Say, I wish you'd have called me a second ago. I would have showed you a fish. Just threw him back. Guys, so that about wraps up that episode. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and like this video. And just to recap, I caught my very first drum, hooked up on another little smallie. That was fun. And then I had a few more bites actually, but they just didn't actually take the whole net, so I couldn't pull them in. But overall, it was a pretty good day, especially for taking the kayak out for the first time. So yeah, like I said, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and you know, a lot of hours go into editing the videos and making the videos, and so it's awesome to see you guys subscribing and channel getting bigger and everything else. And thank you to all the, I don't know, almost 500 subscribers we have now, which I know it's not a whole lot, but you know, we're getting there. And hopefully me and Michael can get out on the water here soon together, since you know, all this virus stuff is going down, and he's not even 2 yet. I got a son, so yeah, I'm trying not to get him sick the best I can. And since Michael works with the public, that's kind of what's going on with that. But hopefully we'll get through this soon and we'll get back on the water on the boat. And until then, I'm gonna be kayaking. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Here's another episode of Chillin' on Cherokee. Peace.